So my tractor's not running right, has carburetor problems, doesn't want to run smooth. When I bought the tractor I knew the fuel lines need to be replaced. See here, they're all deteriorated. So today I'm going to take the carb off, get it rebuilt, and take all the fuel lines off to get those replaced. While I'm taking the carburetor off, I might as well take this fuel line and just start draining it. Got the clip out. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, there we go. Okay, well I didn't show you this part, but you have to take your throttle linkage off. So I already went ahead and did that. And then next you want to take out with your 1/2 inch. Alright, now that those bolts are out, take off your fuel inlet, fuel feed, and then you need to get your throttle linkage off. Another two-handed thing. I'm gonna take that back cover off. So that's what I'm left with. Alright, so here it is now. Got the carb back, all cleaned up. New fuel lines from the pump to the carb, and from the fuel tank to the pump. And I got my fuel filter. I also have an hour meter for it. Just have to figure out where to put it. Maybe inside, just right there. We'll see.